From the Sun Sentinel newsroom, I'm Nick Robinson. A historic deal is in the making that could end a long-time fight between Dania Beach and Broward County related to expansion of the Fort Lauderdale Airport. The proposal? Homeowners in the high noise zone would be paid 20% of their home's value. In exchange, they would have to accept the noise they'll endure. The plan still needs city, county, and FAA approvals. Officials say a deal like this has never been done before. For more, just head to sunsentinel.com/FLL.